All right, what's going on, guys? So, update. I know it's been a while. I'm home right now. I'm at my desk. I have been super locked in on trading. Today was one of my biggest trading days. Closed almost $4,000 in profits today on gold. I believe it was 39. Let me see exactly what it was. 39.72 closed in profit today on gold. So this is single-handedly, for sure, one of my biggest trading days to date. So I'm super proud and excited about this. Nothing changes here, guys. Like tomorrow, the markets don't care about what I made today. Next week, the markets won't care about what I made this week. So every day is a new start. Every day is a new beginning. Every day is a chance to go into the markets and extract money, catch good trades, follow your rules, follow your system. Don't overtrade, don't over risk. Just stick to the plan and continue to be consistent. So that's exactly what I plan to do. I was going to show the email because a lot of people like to see it. So as you can see here, the withdrawal has been approved. I don't know if you guys can see that because I can't see the camera screen, but so I also did receive the money. I cashed this out actually in Cash App via Bitcoin because for some reason Trade wasn't letting me withdraw with USDT. So I did it with Bitcoin. Instant transfer to the bank account. Yeah, guys, a lot of exciting things coming up. I have been working super heavy on the bot. As you guys know, I have multiple bots that automatically trade for you. I'm big on automation. Obviously, trading is a sport where it's you versus you, and you should be analyzing the markets. You should be putting in the work yourself and making these decisions yourself. But there is another side to it, and that's automation, and I've been working heavily on that. I have not publicly started sharing the bot yet or sharing much content about the bot because I've just been absolutely locked in. I am tracking all of the performance live. It's running on live accounts right now. It's running on demo accounts. It's running on small accounts. It's running on large accounts. But it's almost ready for you guys. So there is going to be a few ways to access it. You will be able to buy the bot outright for a one-time fee. You will also be able to have a monthly subscription to have a license to the bot. And the other option is going to be to actually have it as a speculative system instead of an automated system. So you can use it on your charts. You can adapt the settings to your trading style, or you can use my recommendations. You could use it on any pair. It trades on all markets. And you could use it essentially to find your edge in the market, to find buy and sell areas, and then you decide if you take those trades. That way it's not fully automated. So there is several options here. I do have several bots that I'm working on. I do have a scalping bot, and I also have a day trading / swing trading bot. Both are performing great. And again, both will be available to you guys soon. If you are in my community, if you're a student of mine that's joined the mentorship or you've joined the VIP trading group, you do get the bot at a discounted rate. And also for the month of October, we are currently doing a 30 to 40 day trial period, you can say. So far, it's performing great. Everyone's happy. And we're just going to continue to push, guys. So I just wanted to tap in, give you guys an update. I know it's been a few weeks since I've uploaded a video, and thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting. I hope that my content is something that you find helpful, something that you look forward to watching. I look forward to helping you guys as much as I can and documenting my journey and taking you guys with me. So stay updated. Another thing a lot of people are asking me is, what did you do differently this time? How did you essentially catch these trades that you've been taking? How did you? Nothing has changed, guys. Everything's the same. Everything that I tell you guys, everything that you guys see me do, I do the same. I follow my system. I follow my rules. I have my own algorithm that if you are a student of mine, you do get access to. And that's it. I stay consistent. I stay disciplined, and I put in the time. And that's essentially what I'm trying to teach you guys. So, see, I should have probably added the ND filter to the camera. It's a little bit bright from the sun, but it is what it is, man. I'm about to dive into the charts and show you guys how I made this trade. I'm just heating up my coffee real quick, and then we're gonna get straight to it. Alright guys, so it's currently about to be 1 a.m. Currently in some gold longs. As you can see, I'm up 1,200 on these positions on gold. Gold is at all-time highs right now. It's about to hit 4,000. I'm also in on the PAM account. So just wanted to give you guys an update, but yeah, I'm still holding gold, just so you guys know.